Hey everyone, it's Miss McIntyre. I hope you're enjoying your day so far. So in math, we're learning about money and how to identify and count coins. So this is just a quick little review. It's called Money Matters, Counting Money. And if we take a look here, we have a table of contents. So we can think, what genre is this? Do we think it might be fiction or nonfiction? So let's see, we have time to count, how many pennies. So here's all of our sections. I see a glossary and index. And looking at the cover of the book, it looks like it's going to teach me about money and how to count them. So I'm going to think this genre is nonfiction. It's going to teach me something. Here's our title, Time to Count. It is fun to count money. Many small coins can add up to big bills. Count the money that you see right here. We have some bills and some coins. How much do we have all together here? How many pennies? So here we see pennies front and back. It says actual size. This reddish brown coin is a penny. It is worth 1 cent. A penny is the smallest amount of money in the United States. A nickel equals 5 pennies. A dime equals 10 pennies. Here we see a bunch of coins. I see the dimes, and I see some nickels in there. No pennies in this pile. So we have 1 nickel. Remember, a nickel is 5 cents. A penny, we have a couple pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pennies equals 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. Here we have our dime. Remember, a dime is worth 10 cents, so we will need 10 pennies. We see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 pennies equals 1 dime, which is 10 cents. Both coins are silver in color. The nickel is larger in size. So when we look at coins to help us remember which coin is which, the dime is the smallest coin, but it's worth more than a nickel. Now on to the quarter. This even bigger silver-colored coin is a quarter. It equals 25 pennies. It also equals 5 nickels. Here we go, we can count the pennies, and 25 pennies equals 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. And 5 nickels are going to equal 1 quarter, 25 cents. And we can skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Coins that equal a dollar bill. Many coins can add up to $1. This is the worth of the smallest U.S. bill. So $1 bill. We should have 100 pennies there. 100 pennies equals $1. A $1 bill equals 100 pennies. Here are some other coins that equal a dollar. Let's take a look at our little diagram right here. We have $1 bill. Let's see here. We have nickels. So it says 20 nickels equals $1. Let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Remember, 100 cents equals $1, and that would equal 20 nickels. 10 dimes equals $1. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 4 quarters equal $1. Like when we buy our ice cream at school, we always want to bring in those 4 quarters. Or you can now bring in dimes and nickels. So 4 quarters, we're going to count by 25. 25, 50, 75, 100, which is also $1. A $1 bill also equals 20 nickels or 10 dimes. Only 4 quarters are needed to make $1. Make $1. Bills that equal a $100 bill. A $100 bill is the biggest U.S. bill. It is worth $100. It equals 100 $1 bills. It also equals 10 $10 bills. And again, you can count all of these by ones, and here you would skip count by 10. $100 bill. Here we need 5 20s to get to 100. And you can skip count by 20s. And here 2 $50 bills to get to 100. A $100 bill is worth 5 $20 bills. It is also worth just 2 $50 bills. Adding it all up. This section is probably going to teach me how to add up money. And I can even tell by the picture. The boy has money in his hands. I see a calculator. I see some math equations over to the side. And I see this boy. He has all of his coins dumped out. And it looks like he put them into piles based on their coins. It looks like those are pennies. Those look like there may be dimes, or his pile he's dividing up. Maybe those are nickels. It's kind of hard to see in the picture. Oh, and then we're done. Here's our glossary with our special bold words that we saw throughout the story. Now, hopefully that was just a quick little review for you guys. Continue learning about all the different types of coins and how we add and use them in our daily life. Thank you.